I'm recording a trade that is a lower high confirmation setup to the downside, because I can see, if I'm going to zoom out to see the context, we are in a trend range. Right now the uptrend played out and we have massive reversal back into the trend range, which means according to trendline rule, I expect for prices to test the new extreme. You can see new low, first attempt, pull back, second entry short, break below, lower high confirming the second entry short. We're coming off the resistance, range highs, great bar. So we are off the resistance and the downtrend is new low. So this is why I'm deciding to take the lower high confirmation setup. The trade is very nice, strong signal bar. So I decided to put my limit chasing a little bit, 1 tick plus, and let's see if we can make the scalp. I will manage the runner later if we get the scalp here. We need a couple more ticks. We're about zero my exit order, but we need to tick through. Alright traders, so we made the scalp. I'm gonna place the stop loss to break even because this is just a bonus. And downtrend needs new low. First entry short, second entry short, lower high confirmation. We need new low. We're coming off the range highs, so rules aligned. Good setup. We also had great second entry long right here. If you reset the count, I didn't get filled because it happened quite fast. But downtrend break new low, uptrend is new high. Same price action, great setup right here as well. Right traders, our runner got hit at break even. I was a little bit greedy, expecting prices to go all the way down here, so I gave it a little bit more room, but no problem. Great trade anyways.